Unit 16.
Adorn. Adorn is a verb. To adorn is to add to the appearance of, especially with pretty objects. To dress up. Fresh flowers and beautiful linens adorn the dining room table. Now you say the word. Adorn. Adorn. Appropriate. Appropriate is a verb. To appropriate is to take over or use as one's own, often without permission, to set apart for a certain purpose. A brother or sister may appropriate your favorite book. Now you say the word. Appropriate. Appropriate. Appropriate is an adjective. If something is appropriate, it is suitable or fitting. It is appropriate to wear a warm hat in winter. Now you say the word. Appropriate. Assemble. Assemble is a verb. To assemble is to meet or bring together, to put or fit parts together. On Thanksgiving, family members assemble to enjoy a holiday feast. Now you say the word. Assemble. Assemble. Colossal. Colossal is an adjective. If something is colossal, it is amazingly large, great, or powerful in size or degree. The colossal pyramid of Chichen Itza in Mexico was built about 1,000 years ago. Now you say the word. Colossal. Colossal. Effective. Effective is an adjective. If something is effective, it produces a desired or conclusive result, has a strong impact, starts as of a particular date or time. The team that makes the most effective presentation will win the debate. Now you say the word. Effective. Effective. Frail. Frail is an adjective. If something or someone is frail, it is weak or lacking strength, likely to give in to temptation. Our class project is to send cheerful greeting cards to children who are in frail health. Now you say the word. Frail. Frail. Hostage. Hostage is a noun. A hostage is a person held prisoner by another or by an enemy and used in bargaining for certain demands. The bank robber took one hostage. Now you say the word. Hostage. Hostage. Landslide. Landslide is a noun. A landslide is a fast downhill movement of rocks or soil. Any mass that slides down, a lopsided victory in an election. A week of heavy rain caused a landslide. Now you say the word. Landslide. Landslide. Rampage. Rampage is a verb. To rampage is to rush around wildly or violently. A herd of frightened animals may rampage. Now you say the word. Rampage. Rampage. Rampage is a noun. A rampage is violent, reckless, or wild behavior. The news carried a story about looters on a rampage. Now you say the word. Rampage. Scamper. Scamper is a verb. To scamper is to run or move quickly or playfully. Children usually scamper around a playground. Now you say the word. Scamper. Scamper. Symptom. Symptom is a noun. A symptom is a sign of illness or of a physical problem, a sign that something else exists or is happening. Fever is one symptom of the flu. Now you say the word. Symptom. Symptom. Warrant. Warrant is a noun. A warrant is a written order that allows for legal action. The police got a warrant to search the suspect's garage. Now you say the word. Warrant. Warrant. Warrant is a verb. To warrant is to declare for certain, to approve or guarantee, to serve as reason for. A deep cut may warrant stitches. Now you say the word. Warrant.